Hi, Adam here with Inspired LED. Today I will be walking you through the steps of how to make your own beautiful shelf light. Before starting, you will need a few things: a sander, a blowtorch, an acrylic tile, an LED strip, a power supply compatible with that strip, a piece of white reflective paper, foil tape, scotch tape, and a pair of scissors. First, take a look at your acrylic tile. For this demonstration, we are using a tile that is 0.315 inches wide, allowing enough space for our LEDs. Start by tearing off the clear plastic from both sides. Next, we will sand one side of our tile to give it a nice matted look for our LEDs to shine through. After sanded to your liking, we will need to polish the edge of which the LEDs will shine through. To do so, carefully take a blowtorch and lightly graze it along the edge until it is nice and glossy. Now we are ready to place our LED strip. For this demonstration, we are using a Make It Bright strip. Line your strip against the glossy side and measure where you need to cut. Make sure as always to only cut along the copper ovals of your strip. Then, take a piece of foil tape and cut a small strip from it to tape and secure your LEDs to the acrylic tile later on. We are now going to cut our white reflective material to line our tile. You can use a razor or X-Acto knife to cut to the correct size. For the rest of the demonstration, we will not be using the white piece of paper, but do know that it is an option. Next, we will be adhering our LED strip to the tile. Line it across the glossy edge and use a couple pieces of scotch tape to hold it in place. Once you have it in place, use the foil tape to permanently adhere it to your tile. You can use your razor or X-Acto knife again to rid of the excess. Now, another way we can do this is by installing our strip into an aluminum channel before placing it on our tile. You can see a more detailed version of how to do this by clicking here. Once you have your strip adhered to your aluminum channel, line the strip with silicone and stick it to the glossy edge of your tile. Once your silicone is set or dried, all that's left is to plug in your power supply and watch your new beautifully lit up shelf come to life. And that's the end of the demonstration. As you can see, creating one of these tiles on your own is very easy. However, if you do have any questions, please just contact us here at Inspired LED and we will be more than happy to help you through the process.